In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error in Windows 11 which says we can't find your camera, check to be sure if it is connected or installed properly. We're going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just make sure that the camera shutter is opened. So if you have a camera shutter like this one for your specific laptop, make sure to open that first. Once you have done that, you also need to make sure that if your specific laptop has this option to turn on the webcam or camera, you just hold the FN key and enable the camera from whatever function keys you have. So if you have a webcam button, make sure to turn that on. But if you don't have this button, don't worry. What you can do is just open up the start menu and right here camera. Open up your camera app, and from here you can click on the settings on the left hand side and click on camera settings. Then we click on open camera system settings and just click on yes to any pop-up you get. Now here, if it says no camera found, you need to check for disabled cameras, and next to that option you will see the camera with an enable option. So you click on that enable option from here and you should get it enabled. So if that works for you, that is great. Otherwise, the other thing that you can try is just go to the start menu and right here settings, and from here we click on privacy and security. Here we choose a camera in the app permissions. Right here we have this camera option, and on the top you can see camera access. Make sure that it is toggled on or enabled, and make sure whatever app you're trying to use it in, you should enable that as well. So for example, for WhatsApp, if it is not working for WhatsApp, you need to enable it from here, and then it will start working for that particular app as well. Also, if you're using some external camera devices like Camo Studio or something else which is conflicting with the main camera, that might cause the problem as well. So just make sure to turn that off and keep that other camera app on so that it doesn't cross conflict. The other thing you can do is just scroll down until you see this camera device settings. Click on that and you can search for the network camera or add a network camera here. You can also see the connected or non-connected cameras. You click on that and you just disable or enable it from here. What you can do if it is still not working, you head over to the settings in the start menu and go to apps on the left, click on installed apps, and here you will see all the associated applications. Here's the camera. We click on this three dots, click on advanced options, and just make sure here that app permissions are all turned on here. And also we get the option to either repair it, so it will repair it. That means it will troubleshoot your camera, and if it still doesn't work, you might try to reset that as well. So whenever you, let's say, try to repair it, it will either repair it directly or it will show you the pop-up something like this. This will permanently delete the app data or something like that. So if you want to do that, you click on reset, and basically it will just reset, and you need to mention the credentials again, nothing more than that. You can try to do this in a virtual machine as well. Finally, what you can do is just open up the device manager, go to start menu and right here device manager, open that up. From here we need to update our drivers for the camera. Look for cameras here, whatever camera you are connected to, just right click on that, or otherwise if you don't see it, you click on view and click on show hidden devices, and that might show up like this. And whatever camera device you have, if it is disabled, you need to enable it. You just double click on that specific one, click on driver, and you click on update driver, and it will automatically search for the right driver for you and install it. Or otherwise, if you already have this driver, it's even better. So click on browse my computer in that case, and you select the drivers from a specific location, or you click on let me pick the list of available drivers, and you click on next, and it should be installed like that as well. And if you have a plug and play camera that doesn't involve any specific driver, what you can do is just plug it out off the USB and then plug it back in, or just try inserting it in a different USB port, and that should work as well. So these are a couple of solutions which you can try, and hopefully it should resolve your issue and you will no longer get this error of we can't find your camera in Windows 11. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.